When you are using Ninja tables for your WooCommerce store, you already have an impact on your customers' purchasing decisions. It's easy for them to browse the product tables, find what they need, and add it to their cart. But what about reviews of this product? Studies shows that an authentic product review or a recommendation has a large effect on a customer's decision to purchase a product. Well, you are in luck because you can use Ninja tables to showcase your WooCommerce product reviews as well. And of course, it will be a styled and a customized table. Let me show you how. To get started, let's create the table using the WooCommerce integration. As I already have some existing tables ready, let's proceed with create new table. From the list on the left, I'll choose WooCommerce reviews. Now you'll see the configuration panel appear. Here you can decide which reviews to pull into your table. To configure the table, the first step is to give this table a short title. So then filter the reviews by category, tags, and product type. However, you can keep it blank to load all reviews. Review status comes with multiple options. As you can see, all, approved, unapproved. So make sure it's set to approved because you might not want to show the unapproved reviews or have all them appear at once. And this is not a good practice also. Perfect. Looks like we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and create the table. Congratulations, the table is created. Now we are on the table editor page where you can personalize the table to match your exact requirements. Right at the top, Ninja Tables gives you a set of advanced options. So I'll go through one by one, no worries about that. Let's start with appearance settings. Here I'll adjust the rating color so that it doesn't look out of place and matches my site's design. Anyway, if you want to add more categories or product types, etc. at this stage, you can do that too, but I'm satisfied with the choice I made earlier. The add new column option is quite useful because it gives me more flexibility to add new functionalities to the table. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a buy now column. So let's put a short column title here, something like buy now, and data type should be single line text. Okay, now in the dynamic column data settings section, I'll choose product data for the field type and select buy now button for the field value. And now I'll put the button text name here. Everything looks good, so it's time to add the column. And as you can see, the table now shows the column exactly as I intended. This allows customers to compare their choices and buy directly when they want, right from the table. Alright, let's move on to the table configuration tab. Here, you'll find some really useful features. From the column options, you can edit a column, rearrange the order just like this, or even delete any column you don't need. And if you want to make the table easier for customers, you can add Ninja Tables custom filtering options. It helps customers to quickly find the exact info they need. I'll enable the CSV export and print buttons for the front end. You can customize all these features however you like. It's right at your fingertips. Now, if I jump over to the preview page, you will see I can easily download the CSV file or print the entire table with just one click. Okay, let's talk about something more interesting. When you perfectly design your table, it directly impacts user experience and readability. So if we go inside the table design tab, you'll find multiple built-in design options for customizing the table. For now, I'll fast forward this part and make it more appealing to my customer. Let's go. The styling tab gives you several different style categories to work with. By default, the semantic UI library is open, so I'll stick with that and just turn options on and off as needed. In the features section, you will see a bunch of handy functions you can enable. Just pick the ones that fit your table. And once you turn on the stackable option, you can even choose which devices should display the table in a stacked layout. Now let's move on to the table colors. You get 13 pre-made color schemes to choose from, plus a full set of custom color controls under the custom scheme tab. So I'll go with the custom scheme for now and tweak my table a bit. First, let's adjust the table search bar background so that it perfectly matches my website. Well, in the table body colors, you can change the entire table background color, text, and border. And also have fun with hover animation. So let's personalize it. Okay, if I hover over the table, you can see the raw text colors changing. So this will make the table more interactive. Color customization is done. Let's see what we have in the other step. This section gives you a lot more options to add that final touch to your table. One of my favorite parts here is the table font settings. From here, you can customize the font family and size to maintain a consistent visual style across your site. And that's it. Everything's set up nicely. So let's save the table and preview it. Just look at the table. This WooCommerce product review table will now keep visitors engaged and help them make informed decisions quickly. Well, if you need even more visual enhancements and branding for your table, you can use custom CSS, which is readily available. And it is also quite straightforward to export the table data. I just need to choose whether I want it in a CSV or a JSON file. By now, we have seen how to customize the table, and I'm pretty sure you are getting familiar with Ninja Table's powerful features. Now, I'm all set to preview the WooCommerce product review table. It's perfect. Anyway, if you're happy with your table, add it to any page or post. Just copy the shortcode from the top and paste it into any shortcode block on any WordPress site. Alright, you have now fully understood how to build a complete WooCommerce product reviews table that builds trust, boosts conversions, and help customers make quick, confident decisions. We went through the whole process, pulled in the review data, added a new column to directly buy any product from the table, polished up the table design, and placed the table on the site. Now, it looks great on the front end. If this video helped you level up your store, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more WordPress tutorials coming your way. And if there's anything you want me to dive deeper, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.